Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Permission to introducing myself. My name is Cindy Putri Lestari, NPM 2211013 from Management Class 22A. On this occasion, I will present material on the theme of selection and placement and selection and placement continuum. Employer are human resources who are expected to be productive, and productive employees are the best evidence of an effective selection process. Reform in order for the selection process to be effective, it is necessary to pay attention on the procedure step and selection and placement recruitment selection and place in the continual process to find people to fill up particular situation or position. Theoretically, the recruitment selection and placement process not only benefit the organization in the sequence of getting the right people for vacant position, but also help individuals get jobs that suit their abilities, interests, and personality, which can improve their psychological well-being. The match between the applicant and the organization influences both the company willingness to make a job offer and also the applicant willingness to accept the job. Placing someone into a suitable position is included placement. Ideally, the selection process is a reciprocal decision-making process. The company decides after job vacancies, prospective applicant whether the company and their application will meet their personal needs and goals. However, under normal circumstances, the selection process generally tend to be determined utilitarian, namely domination by the company. Recruitment. The recruitment process is basically a process of selection various sources of potential employers and effort to attract them to be willing to become part of the organization. Sources of prospective employers vary greatly in number and quality. If you choose sources from the community by advertising in newspaper with large circulation or social media, you will get prospective employers in large number one of very varying quality. As another example, if we courses from a certain university by simple team job vacancy advertisement or holding morning interview at the university, we will get prospective employers in a small number and of a certain quality. Factors that influence recruitment selection. The source of prospective employers is a critical activity in the recruitment process because this activity will greatly determine the quality of the candidate selected and the efficiency of the selection process as a willow economy condition. When there is a lot of employment, it will cause people looking for work to not think too much about closing the job they are going to apply for. Better economic conditions will encourage workers to look for work with type of work. People of work that are less prestigious are usually less described because individuals when the social status associated with their work, organization, reputation. Working for a company that is not well known can create feelings of insecurity so that people will think twice about applying to the company. The level importance of the job for prospective employers. The more a job is seen as providing good prospect in terms of future income and social outlook, the more the job will be liked and sought after. The selection. 1. Basic of selection. The selection process is guided by certain basic principles outlined by the company internally and externally. This is intended so that the implementation and result of the selection can be accounted for both legendary and economically. 3. Basic are government labor policies, job specification of position, economic relations, social ethics. Government labor policy. Selection for new employees must be based on and guided by government labor laws. Selection must be based on law. Labor regulation prohibit discrimination by skin, regulation and activity. On the other hand, the law does not allow the employment of minor and people employed in the things above must be the basis for the selection policy for expecting new employees for everything organization of company. B. Job specification or position. The specifications stipulate the minimum recruitment and qualification of the people who can hold or carry out the job. C. Economically rational. Selection must be carried out in the most effective way at the lowest possible cost to get the best employees. D. Social ethics. Selection must be carried out in accordance with the social ethics. This means paying attention to legal mores, religion, culture, and community custom as well as the law applicable in the country concerned. Selection and placement continue. The selection process seems simple in the theory as previous method. Management select a series of stages. The applicant knows the thought. This process is prepared taking into account the established post recruitment. The management check the applicant past activism and selection people who have the ability, the experience, and personality that best meet the recruitment of a position. In practice, selection is actually not that simple. Selection is more complicated than we imagine. The selection process consists of at least 8 steps that can be taken. It should be said that not all the selection process consists of at least 8 steps that can be taken. It should be said that not all of these steps need to be taken. For example, in the case of incident work or selection for transfer of duty or promotion. 3 are certain steps that no longer need to be taken because the organization, especially the work unit that manage human resources, already has information that can be obtained by taking certain steps. Directly, for example, information about the health condition of the employee concrete. The steps usually taken in the selection process are: A. Expansion of application letter. In fact, the selection process takes place in two directions in the sense that the laborating organization selects the applicant and on the other hand, the applicant selects the organization where they hope to work. B. Expansion administration. Basically, the three types of tests taken by applicant, namely psychological test, knowledge test, job performance test. C. Selection interview. Interview is a selection tool or formal conversation between recruit and applicant. Knowledge they three are at least 5 types of interview, namely 1. Unstructured interview. 2. Structured interview. 3. A combination of structured. 4. Problem solving. 5. Interview in stressful situation. Because interviews are considered a very important applicant selection instrument, understanding the interview process is relevant and deserves serious attention. Basically, the interview process involves taking 5 steps. 1. Interview preparation. 2. Creating harmony in relationship. 3. Exchange information. 4. And the interview. 5. Assessment.